And we're live, and it is Tuesday, 23rd of September, and this is the weekly meeting, the developer meeting, and it's only you, me, and Brian here today. So we won't be talking so much strategies and feature requests as we would like to, but rather we will focus on fixing some potential problems we have on website 1. And that is that we're getting a lot of memory access errors on Heroku. So we're gonna try to do a little database replication from production server to staging, and then we're gonna roll back the stage machine to a previous state before we pushed out a lot of new features. And we're gonna try to click around and see if we still get those errors. Well, first of all, once we migrated the database, we're gonna see if we can get those errors replicate, on staging, right? So first move all the data from production to staging, and after that, try to see if we can get the same sort of errors. Yes, and I've done this before. So I've written some documentation about how to do a backup on production and how to copy that production data to the staging server. So I'm just gonna reuse this PD backups capture, remote production. See if that works. No app specified. Okay. That's weird. For some reason he won't take remotes anymore. I know that this used to work before.
Yeah. That's weird. I've always been using app anyway.
Yeah.
Never noticed.
It's it's always shorter to write production than having to to write the whole application name. And I'm using custom application names on Heroku, but sometimes when you just create them on the fly, you get those weird, auto-generated names.
Yeah.
So it's easier to name the remote something and use that. So that's why I was using remote. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So Heroku PG backups restore, application website 1 staging, Heroku URL. Okay. So this should hopefully let's see how staging looks like. See. So members wise, we have 86 members here now. Do. Okay. Yes. Side.
How long does it take?
Well, it depends. It shouldn't take so long. We don't have that many records.
Okay.
Well, it's done now. So let's see if we reload. We don't have any code on staging that we don't have on production yet. Not now. While the migrations. Oh shit. Oh, we already get the memory code exceeded now, you see? But we also got a 500 error for some reason. Oh, missing attributes exclusions? Huh.
Maybe the migrations weren't run correctly?
No, we did have, oh shoot. Okay, so I have to roll back staging a step, because you see we pushed out that code of John's, you know, that pull request with the events exclusion, and that wasn't pushed. That wasn't pushed to. So let's have a look at. Okay, let's see here. Personal Agile Ventures website one develop. Was staging. What do we have? Resources activity. Yes. Build 16 deployed.
Oh.
So 12 days ago, I'm gonna go back to that big deployment you did of staging.
Sure.
And see if that works. Back to that. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens. Yes. Okay, so we're in a good state now. But if we do Heroku logs again. Okay, so if you go to staging and click around a little bit, whatever you want to do, you know, you could access the Hangouts page, and also if you go to the members page or something like that.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Looking around, see if we can get anything. Should just crash, shouldn't it?
It should. Sooner or later it should. Well, I'm getting those errors now. If you have a look at my screen, I just got this, even though we didn't notice it. I'm getting, we're 120% over the memory quota. And we're getting this R14 error, so that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, there was a lot of them.
But the thing is, we wouldn't We need to access the New Relic analytics and see what pages are failing for us.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I think we can see that. I'm just gonna add.
Don't you have access to it?
Your audio is very.
Don't you have access to it?
No, not yet. Actually, I'm just gonna try to fix that. Hold on. I tried to fix. I tried to ask. I asked New Relic for a new password, but they failed to send a new password to me.
Oh, okay.
But still, we don't have New Relic enabled on. Huh? That I don't start already. Okay. What?
So it's definitely not. Oh, hi, John.
Hey, Brian.
Be quiet there.
Hi, John.
Hey, Thomas.
We're trying to figure out this memory issue. So we've replicated the environment in staging, and we're still getting those errors. So I don't think it's related to the Hangouts because no Hangouts is running in staging. Can't be related to New Relic because that's disabled. So it's something else. Something, but we don't know what.
So, what are the symptoms?
The symptoms are that we get this R14 error, and if you look that up on Heroku, it's the memory quota exceeds. So we're using 120% of our memory quota.
Wow.
Since we're running on this free tier of Heroku, so I don't know how much. I think we have 512 megabyte of memory allocated to us. So
And if you restart, how much memory is start up?
I didn't quite catch that, John.
Oh, when AgileVentures.org first starts up, how much memory is it using at that time? Is it already over the limit?
I don't know.
I think it's okay for a while, and then it grows. I'm not sure how we can monitor that. Oh wait. Well, I don't know. New Relic has this memory monitoring tool, but it's not telling me enough. I haven't seen a point where it exceeds. Oh no, wait. Maybe there is. Give me a second. I can't remember. Let me do some. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Okay. So I think this is about 3 hours ago. No, but that's 520. It's not 600. Like what we're getting. What's causing the errors? But there is this weird spike here. Or, the other 100 MB could be coming from somewhere else, but I don't know why it happened. So at some point...
What?
Go on.
Oh, I just now I'm seeing your screen. I couldn't see your screen because I just accessed New Relic from production, and I'm seeing completely different thing. I'm still seeing the setup. So I don't know
Oh.
if yeah, but never mind. And I'm looking at you now. So the account name is agileVentures.org. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. I'm seeing something completely different, which is really strange.
Are you going through that Heroku add-on thing?
Yeah.
It's different. I tried going through there. It's not the same. You need to log in.
Okay, so memory usage. So we got a 228 memory usage per average.
No, the peak is 262 at the point of failure. So I think it's somewhere here. This spike there. I have no idea what causes the spike, but that spike. I just don't know. And I think at some point it was restarted. So so that's the drop over there. So it's definitely a memory leak somewhere, but I don't know where. Where could it leak in memory?
There should be a panel that with all the pages that are being accessed, and also what controller, the average response time, and there's some errors on controllers.
Really?
Yeah, it should be. If you click monitoring, just monitoring right now.
I'm in monitoring.
Okay, and what else do you have? Overview, transactions. Go to transactions.
Middleware, but this is just response time.
Okay, and no errors on them. If you go projects controller.
No error. Error rate 0.
Oh.
This is the last tree. Yeah.
Well,
I don't know what time zone it's on, but it's not my time zone. But I know it's 3 hours ago. That's around the point of where it crashed. I mean, the last I saw production crashing anyway. So no idea. So these are response times, so we know there are performance issues with just rendering it. But we can't. I don't know. Is there any way to see the memory? I mean, the memory use. No. I don't think I'll go down to that detail. This is all the information we're getting here.
This is around 10.
No. 10 is. I don't know what time zone this is, but it's definitely not 10. That's weird. I never saw this weird dip before. Was it just me? Maybe it's just refresh the page. Probably something wrong. Something. Perhaps all disjointed. There is this very mysterious lag.
Yeah, perhaps Heroku went down or something. I don't know, because it seems like everything went down. Like the server shut down for a while.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's see. Just to if we go to.
Have you rolled back production yet?
No. I didn't want to do that yet.
Cool.
I mean, we can play around on staging. Production is production, so we want to be sure. What can we get some Heroku Postgres? Can we get some statistics from the add-ons on Heroku or something? Just to get some sort of information.
About what?
Of what's going on, if there's any.
I don't think so.
No.
Not that easy to pull memory information. The best we can get is from the Ruby VM, and this is all we have.
The thing is that the database has grown a lot.
That is true.
It was 194 kilobyte in March, and it's 887 kilobyte now in September, 23rd of September, when the last snapshot was made.
Right. I'm wondering if there is some place where we are loading the entire database where we shouldn't.
I mean, the biggest load I think is done on the members page. That's what I'm thinking. You know.
Okay.
Now we're getting those errors all the time.
Probably.
Are you on the site now? Or?
No, I'm not. See if I can make this site crash from the logs. I mean, from the console. Rails.
Yeah, I just accessed projects and it loaded. It wasn't any problem. Community portal or?
Hmm?
Did
No.
you visit? Did you visit something?
No.
Okay,
I'm not on the
somebody's
site.
accessing the user profile Adam Long 84.
Okay. So that's not me.
No. Did you start the Rails console?
Yeah, I
Okay.
did. That was me.
Yeah. I'm seeing it live as it happens.
Scary.
No, but it's cool. It's cool. I didn't know I could do that. Started put. Oh, now something came from the Hangout connection. Yeah, the Hangout connection is just sent some information over to the application. There was a put request made.
Yeah. Is that an error down there?
And there's an error now.
Ooh, whoa.
Processing by Hangouts controller update as HTML. That went well. Info put Hangouts host such adventures, and now there's a memory access. Memory quota exceeded. Error. So this is.
I don't think that's the issue, because we saw that on staging.
I know, but it's one of the issues probably, you know. So, but it's not the issue. I think the problem is that we're accessing the database in a strange way someplace. As you said, perhaps we're pulling everything out. I don't know. It's like weird.
Which controller is that, you think?
I don't know. I mean, no, I'm thinking if we try to limit the members page to like 100 members, perhaps that would help us.
Perhaps, but we're not sure.
We're not sure now.
It's controller. It's controller. Play event instance controller. Oh yeah, we do now. Find or create. No, I really don't see any issue with this.
Well, the issue is how often this put is made, you know.
No, that's not going to be the issue. That won't cause this problem.
But okay.
They won't be memory leak from that.
The find or create, is that a good? I mean, he has to go through the entire database, right?
That's
I mean,
fine. That's the querying through the database is not an issue. It's the point where you're storing something on the application that you shouldn't.
okay.
The database can handle it. It's not going to use the same memory as what we're having trouble with. Oh, I just realized maybe that's why you're not hearing. I haven't plugged in my mic properly.
Oh, I hear you much better now because there was a lot of background sound, you know.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Sorry about that.
No problems. Your voice sounds much, nicer now.
Thank you.
Now you actually sound like a nice guy, Never mind.
What did it sound like before?
Like less nice guy. Still like a nice guy, but not that's nice. Anyhow, yes. Let's see. Let's roll back staging one step further and see if we can get the same errors. Okay. If that has anything to do with that, I mean, then we can roll out the then it's probably something else, It's like how much. Let's see the activity. 97. That was 12 days ago, and then we have deployed. Yes. 14 days. Okay. So we can go back 1 month.
Okay.
To 95. Or we can go back to 97. That was 14 days ago. I don't know. I don't remember what we pushed out 14 days ago. What could have been? The big one was 12 days ago. Let's have a look at GitHub and see. Pushing to develop to staging. 12 days. Pushing develop to staging. That's it. What was that? That was change time zone, improve blah, 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 some stuff that Marian did. That was the Scrum page. That was a fairly small add fix for building user. Add features of live sessions. There's a lot of live sessions here again. Okay, that's also a big one. Okay, let's take this one. Let's go there. Okay, let's go back to 96, version 96. There we go. And we go to resources. And we go to paper trail. And we go to. Okay.
When did this problem start?
Well, it started. I don't know. I know that it started. We started to see a lot of these errors when me, Sam, and Yara were in a hangout, and we were having a look at the Hangouts, interface that we produced. Right. That was like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, just after we pushed that big chunk of code to production.
Okay.
And we noticed that Sam was at the page, being all excited about it, and everything was cool. Then Yaro suddenly says, "Hey, I can't access that page," and then I couldn't access it because we were three people trying to access the same page,
Right.
And stuff started happening, and we were starting getting those errors. So.
Okay. There we go. Big. I am going to painstakingly look through all the files and see if I can find something.
Click on staging for a while if you could. I'm gonna check the logs.
Right.
Right now, we're not getting those errors.
Well, we can't really reproduce it
No, I
reliably.
know. But the thing is, you know, we did get them instantly almost, you know, on the, oh, here we are, here we are, here we are. Okay, there you are. Just get one. Well, we got one instance of the error.
Okay.
But it's not as you know. I mean, we got them a lot before.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they just kept coming. Now it showed up once at 102%, and now we are again at 103%. And get.
Right. Anything else happening?
Not much. I could run a load test and see if that affects if we get those.
Sure. Oh.
What? We don't have to verify anything on the loader. What the hell is this? Oh, I hate that. Never mind then. Let's see. Now we're getting those errors all the time.
On staging?
Yes. So it's definitely... Okay, I'm gonna do yet another rollback, another set. See what is going on.
Okay.
To version 95. And that's a month ago. I wonder if he restarts the yes, okay, so he when I'm doing the rollback, he restarts the dyno as well. So that's good.
Cool.
This is a really good logger because it actually makes sense what he's doing. I like that.
What?
I think it's a good log. You know, it's easy to understand what's going on the application. You know,
Yeah.
I wasn't aware that I could access those logs in this way. Usually just, you know, I'm usually doing it through the command interface.
Yeah, that's handy.
Are you eating junk food?
Not junk, but just something to keep my stomach happy for a while.
No, I'm just kidding with you. I was, you know, you were making that noise. I was thinking you were unwrapping a kebab or a hamburger or something. You know.
No.
I just wanted to give you some hard time. You know, we have to stay fit. You know, we have to stay healthy. You know, perhaps not fit, but we need to stay healthy. We can't eat too much junk. Okay, let's see. Let's click around this.
Whoa.
What?
Oh no, never mind. No, that's fine.
Okay, there's no Hangouts anymore, so that's gone. That's good. Okay, let's click around a little bit more. Members. What do we have? We have a lot of members, and we have some events. That's a lot of stuff. Articles about. Let's go to. Let's go see here. Oh. Speed test. Blah, blah, blah. This should. See what I do. How you log in first? Blah, blah, blah. The thing is, I'm not getting those errors now. So I would need you to click around on staging again.
Just around. Okay.
If we do it simultaneously, kind of, perhaps we can see something.
All right. Clicking around now.
Good. It feels like a.
Sure.
So numbers and get events and let's see this box. We haven't got one since for the last 7 minutes, actually.
Right. Clicking around.
And clicking even more. I'm clicking as well here.
Trying our best
to fuck this thing up. Let's write to the database. And let's edit the project or something. I don't know if that helps. I keep watching this. So you have a startup, YouTube. I laugh all the time. Well, I'm so boring. I'm so.
Have you shown any of the new members that yet?
No, I haven't. I've shown restraint there. I don't want to come across like a total idiot. So I should remove that from the website one documentation. I think somebody made a comment. I don't know if it was John or somebody. There was this document written by somebody on Google Docs about the documentation structure. It wasn't Yarrow, but it was somebody else, and it was like a question mark. Why is this? I was like, because I like it, I can understand as a new member, perhaps if you want to review things, but if you stumble upon that, you might want to question the sanity of the people behind this. We're not getting the error now.
Okay, so
basically what we need to, fuck, I don't know. And we still got a lot of, what are you checking there? No.
me?
The memory usage or what?
Yeah. See, it's climbing up slowly. That's a bit discouraging.
Mm-hmm. So did the memory usage drop around top of the hour?
Oh, that's when a unicorn restarted or something.
Yeah. That's when I
Then
did
it
it.
starts to do this. This is bad. This is bad.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know what this is. God damn it. Let's have a look at transactions. I don't know. It's around here. Documents show. User index. Only can I open it in a separate tab? whatever 10 or so we started around that time. Every request after that contributed to this growth. So around, what is this? Projects show. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, I also see it's another thing here with events. For
What?
some reason, what?
No, I'm just wondering. Hmm.
Did you climb up again, or?
No, I just started to realize. Let's see. Something there. No, I'm just trying to understand what it is doing.
I'm gonna ask Paul and somebody else to click around website one staging.
Yeah.
I'd like to have at least 3 or 4 people in. And we're trying to do a manual load test. So I'm gonna ask Marcelo as well. And who else is Pavel? Is there anybody else on board? See no green dots here. Here we have somebody. Who's that? Oh. Where are people when you need them? Alright. unique. Let's see here. Pavel said he would do that, so. Oh, here's a strange thing. SOC client error code H18 description request interrupted. Huh.
I think that's H is normally something that happens with Heroku. Nothing we need to worry about.
Alright, okay.
Can you try clicking around production for a bit? I want to see if I can fix this issue.
Sure thing. I'm doing it, brother.
Alright, I just reduced the number of processes to 1. That is as low as it can get.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Let me remember where we started it. 1915. Okay.
Now we got R14 on staging as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But it's exactly on 100%.
So that means it probably is just the application growing too much.
Mm.
Alright. So if it's just 100% at a month ago, then I think we've done nothing wrong. It's just that there's too much stuff in there now.
Mm-hmm.
Can you continue clicking around production? Trying to create an error. $19.15. Come on. So far I haven't seen any errors. Hopefully that means it's okay for the time being.
Are you checking the logs on, or?
Yeah, I'm checking the logs in production, and it hasn't had any problems. So the time I changed this setting was 1915 at log time. So anything, if it happens after that, that means I haven't fixed it.
Okay.
So far I haven't seen any. Cool-ish.
Cool.
Yeah. But this is a temporary fix. We need to think about long-term solutions for this. This will affect performance, but we don't care about that now because we don't have that large of a traffic.
On
Production.
Yeah. But
Oh,
we should think about upgrading to to a paid plan.
Okay, but if we can live with just one instance of the application running, then let's stick with this for now. We don't need to upgrade it, but yeah, definitely talk with Sam about it.
But what does that mean in practical terms? One instance of, I mean, are we talking about only one person, or I
Can
mean,
access at a time? Yeah, that's about it. But chances are we won't have that issue.
what was the setting before that? How many people could be there simultaneously?
2 or it was 3. Then I brought it down to 2, and then back to 1. Well, I'm not sure if it was 3. It might have been 2 the whole time. Anyway, I brought it to 1.
Okay.
And that should have like halved the amount of memory we're using, roughly. That seems to be working. Like I haven't seen the error yet.
Paul just noticed that there is some spam on articles.
Really?
Just downvote it, yeah.
Where?
There's, if you go to production and,
okay. Yeah. Delete it.
Well, Sam said we're just gonna downvote it.
Oh, how do we downvote it? Did we have a vote? Oh, we have a voting feature.
Yeah.
But it's not ranked by votes, is it?
No, it's not. It's not ranked. It's not used for anything other than, just.
Exactly.
I think it's on.
Oh well.
Yeah, it's on -4. Did you downvote it?
Nope, not yet. This is production. I shall continue to downvote it.
You can only do it once, though. Yes, -5 now. Yeah.
Cool. Yay! It's not crashed.
Okay, so this is the quick fix for us now. Let me just see the logs. Users controller index. Users completed 200. Let's see if we just go to.
Save new relics. I don't think this will change though, but it will. It should be the last 5 minutes. So physical memory went up, but it's fine. At 263 single process, it's fine. Number of instances running 2? No, it should be 1. Anyway, so far I haven't seen any problems.
Neither have I. I'm checking the logs.
Yep. Come on. Oh, I haven't seen any problem. Okay, this is a quick fix, I would say. Because we haven't managed to replicate it after like 5 minutes of clicking. So, good. That's a good thing.
Are you clicking on production as well right now, or?
I was only on production.
Okay. So am I. I don't see any decrease in performance.
Yeah, because, well, chances are, it's like running on local server. It only has one instance, but because you only have maybe 1 or 2 users at most, you're not gonna feel anything. So the default setting was 3 or 2 or whatever number. That's more than 1. But we can live with 1 if we need to keep our memory usage low. And it's working, so
yeah.
So
this basically means if we double our memory, for instance, in a paid plan, we could have like 2 or 3. We can go back to that. So but okay. So it means that Yes. How can we measure that? I mean, if we do like load tests, can we see how many? I mean, or when would the users start to notice that something's wrong, that the performance is bad? Is it hard to tell? I mean,
It's hard to tell, I think.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's keep it this way then. Not much.
Okay.
Not
Yeah.
much to do.
Not much we can do.
Have you ever? You never logged in with your Google account to Website 1?
I always use GitHub.
Okay. You need to do this Google account login at least once, because then we can see your information in those in this hangout list. Yeah. Otherwise, if you have a look at my screen now, just quickly, you see that you get this weird avatar here.
Right. Yeah, so that's how it works. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. At least one.
And the pop over there about user rating and PP sessions. What's that about?
Huh?
If you have a look at my screen again.
I don't know. Oh, maybe that's the number of counts. How many have I been involved in? Or I don't know. There was a... Oh, it's not working, huh?
No, I mean we don't. Oh, okay. User rating.
Staging.
No, this is in production actually.
Oh.
Okay. Never mind. You can fix that in another. Yeah, this. You have to click a little bit above.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's. I fucked up. It's on me. And also, this interface is not pulling out the Euro-Asiagram.
Okay.
But that's not on me actually. I didn't write that code, so it's not like I want to assign blame, but I didn't write that particular piece of code.
Yeah, these are empty, aren't they?
Which are?
The user ratings and PP sessions.
Yeah, but we don't have that in database. I don't know what that is at all, actually.
Okay, fine.
And we're not storing that information in any way. I mean, the karma points are karma points. There is no rating on users. Right? I mean...
Yep. Okay, so far we haven't managed to reproduce the problem. Cool.
Yeah. So I'm going to roll back the staging back to the previous state.
Right.
And that was 97.
Okay. Anyway, I'll keep an eye out on. Just keep an eye out on this error stuff. If it happens again, we'll want to know about it.
Yeah.
So far it hasn't, so cool.
Sure.
It's a quick fix, but I guess we need to think more about how we can improve our memory usage. And I have no idea how.
What the fuck happened here? What?
What happened? It says paper trail.
Yeah. Wait a second. Did I just mess up? On production, activity resources, paper trail. Okay. Alright, no. Cool. Asset screenshot. No problemos. Okay, no, this is cool. We managed to solve a problem that was bugging us for a long while, so this was a good job, I think. We could be proud of ourselves right now. Cool beans. So another dyno would cost us $35 a month.
It's a big jump.
It's a big jump, yeah.
That's why people don't use Heroku.
Yeah, because they're quite expensive, right?
They are.
And so, what does the web and what does the worker do for us in terms of performance?
We need web. I don't think we need any workers at the moment.
Mm.
And if one is doing us fine, then let's just leave it as that. There's no need to add an extra worker. So far, we're okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, we can have a look on some other pass providers to see if we can get a good deal on what's the name of the company that Sam is using for local support? Cloud9, or what was that?
It's not Cloud9, it's 9 something.
Okay, 9 something.
Well, you can talk to Sam about it. Ninefold, yes, that's it.
Ninefold, yeah. Cool. All right, that should do it for tonight. Let's call it a night, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm tired, you tired, and let's see. Let's hope we get some more
tired.
People. Yeah. Let's hope we can get some more people in this meeting next week.
Yeah. Cool. Anyway, we did solve the problem, and that's good enough for me.
That's the most important part.
Yep.
Okay. All right, brother. Take it easy.
All right. You too.
Yeah. Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.